What's up? Welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be doing something really cool. We're gonna be turning bird noises into lobotomizing sounds. So it's gonna be really fun. So basically, let's get into it. So starting off with the black kite. Now obviously this is gonna be the favorite bird of mine. So let's hope it turns into something cool. So let's do this. Okay. So yeah, let's do this. So this is the default black kite call. No special effects, no nothing. Let's check it out. So, pretty normal standard call. Now let's mash it out. Okay, so this is like the volume. We don't want this. Okay, now let's. Okay, where's the pitch? Here's the pitch. Okay, so let's make it really high pitched. See what that does. So it's kind of like a regular noise, you know, nothing too special. Let's do this again. This time, okay, where is? Yeah, no, I don't care about this anymore. Let's change the pitch. Okay, so let's make it low pitched. It's gonna be really cool to watch. Kind of sounds like a loon, not really though. Okay, now let's do this. Let's do speed. Now let's make it slow, because slow is always better. Let's do this. Okay, that's like a trumpet noise. Let's see. There you go. Okay, sounds kind of like a wolf, like if it was like far away. It's pretty cool noise, if I do say so myself. And okay, now let's try make it like, let's make it high pitched and then slow. See what happens. Okay, then it sounds even more like a wolf. Pretty cool. Next, let's make it fast. Speed. Okay. This is speed with high pitch. That's what this does. What was that? Try that again. Okay, that was very weird noise, but let's try again. This time with low pitch. Let's do this. Okay, so that is done with the first bird. Let's move on to the second bird, which is the greyhound. I actually did try experimenting with this a while ago. Just so yeah. So the pitch, I turn the pitch up and turn the speed down. So I'm pretty sure this is dinosaur noise. So let's check. Yep, that is a really cool dinosaur noise. Listen to that. Listen to that again. Very cool noise, but let's try speed. Okay. And then pitch is like high. Tiny little squeak. Let's turn the pitch down. Let's see this. So it's kind of like a paper noise. Nothing too special. Now let's try just get low pitched and then slow. See what that does. That has a rumbling noise. Check that out. That would be like a really good like a creature sound effect. So, cool sound. Anyways, next up we have the crow. Gotta turn this back to normal because we don't want. So, so this is the default crow noise. I actually forgot to show all the default greyhound noise, but to be honest, I don't care. Let's do the crow. So, you guys know, pretty normal crow noise. Now let's turn the speed down. Wow, okay, that's one big beefy noise. And then pitch high. That's what that does. Okay, hear that again? That sounds like a goat. Dude, it's really cute goat crow. Grow. So let's turn the pitch down, see what that makes. Okay, what's this? It makes weird windy noises. Wait, what is that? I still want to make like a dinosaur sound, so let's do this. High pitched, sorry, low pitched and fast. Check that out. Okay, it makes bad noises, okay? So crows are apparently evolutionarily related to bats. Never knew that. Check that out. And what happens if we make the pitch like high? Let's do this. Yep, that is a still some normal sounding bat noise. So if you guys ever want a good looking bat sound effect, just take a crow, dump it into your video, and just increase the pitch and make it fast. Boom, you got bad noises. Finally the sparrow. Let's make it normal and pitch. This is the default sparrow noise. This. Okay guys, I finally have the cans and the microphone back up, so let's check this out. So this is the sparrow with the high pitch, sorry, the low pitch, and the high speed. So sorry, the low speed. Let's check this out. Okay, I did not hear that. Change it up. Wait, there's a silly windy noise. Okay, and then finally fast and high pitched noise. You did not hear that. There's literally no noise to that. Okay, I don't think this works, to be honest. Let's get a little pitched. So, I'm guessing we just broke this. I think we broke the entire, like, platform. So, yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, then leave a like and subscribe. And also, if you're wondering why, my microphone sounds so fucking weird right now, to be honest, I really don't know. It's just kind of filtering out all the words I say. So yeah, you probably can't even tell what I'm saying, like half of what I'm saying. And seriously, I really do apologize for that. I'm gonna try and record in a more quiet room, but maybe it's a see